Welcome back. This is a quick video on libraries. So a library is just someone else's code. We already used a library when we used ArrayList. So when you call .add, you're calling someone else's method. There are two types of libraries. One is the standard library. This is already built into Java, and ArrayList was part of the standard library, which means we didn't have to do much to include it. There's also third-party libraries, but you have to do some extra work to add them to your project. One example is to use Maven. Maven is a repository of code online. We're going to cover third-party libraries in Java 102, how to set it up and how to use them, but basically it requires a different setup than we currently have. Most libraries require an import statement, so at the top of your class you're going to see something like import. Typically the IDE, like IntelliJ, handles this for you, so you don't necessarily have to type this out, but just be aware that it's there. So I'm going to have you guys learn two new libraries. One is the math library, and one is the time library. These are both included with Java as part of the standard library, so you don't have to do anything fancy to get these to work. And these are going to be in your homework. They're really simple and easy to learn. You don't need me to demonstrate them at this point. And one quick note about ChatGPT or whatever the latest AI is, LLMs and AIs are great at recommending libraries. So ChatGPT has recommended me personally libraries that are really hard to find with a Google search. Here's an example. I would say I want to build a calculator app in Java. Is there a library that I should use? And it will recommend me the math library from Java. So if you're building something specific, I would first do a chat with ChatGPT to see if someone's already built this. And lastly, do the homework. Good luck.